the bottom. I don't know if we ever actually went to the bottom.
Yeah.
So you can carry on, we can carry on down this little side trail. Yeah. And it takes us out to the road, or we can go right up. We want to just...
That'd be the road we came in on is ahead of us?
Yeah, that's a turtle. Actually, this will pop out at that transfer station.
The road that we came in on is
just right up here.
So this is the hill climb. We went by it when you drove in.
Oh, okay, nice.
But
so you can try and go up right from here, or if you want to take this little side trail, we could take like the leisurely tour up to it and go from the top.
Give her a whirl.
Go up.
We can see what happens.
All right, I'll meet you at the top. Good luck, fellas. Come. So who do we got first? I think we got Kyle. Kyle's gonna make it. Oh, he's going right up! Yeah, yeah. He's killing it. He's gonna get right to the top. Look at that. I missed it. I missed the backflip, so we're just gonna work on the knack. All right, let's see what you can do. Let's see what this old. I like the update, just like the newer fender.
Yeah, 14 fender.
Fit right on there, eh?
I had 2 new holes.
Oh, you did have to make new holes.
You have to. You can use 2 of the original and then 2 of the old ones because this style is actually stepped. The holes are on different levels.
Oh, okay.
So you have to bring them down to the same level, and then you put a number plate on that kind of sort of matches, and it fills in kind of.
Yeah.
You don't know.
They don't rub here.
It does every
it
once
does
in a
look
while.
kind of
There's
long.
some stuff on there, but it's going forward. So
I got that out. Oh, I'll move that for you. All right, drop it in, man. Right across! Go, go, go! You were like going too fast off of this, so you like jump, boom! I'm like straight across. It's like almost.
I saw that as soon as I came to a stop. I was like, oh, it keeps going.
Come on down. I want to see you drop down here, down this hole.
you see how I see you pile into the bottom?
Yep. Basically. Let's see how good those suspenders are. Whoop.
That was so much easier on the 500.
Well, you know what? The 500 made it look easy. It was like,
It's so much easier.
because you don't have to, you probably didn't even clutch it. This, you gotta, the 250's got to clutch a bit.
You stay up here.
Get past the dog. Now, hammer it. Yeah. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Go, go, go. Yeah. Oh, gnarly. Good for you. Okay, so now that you did this, you do realize that's the hill. You gotta go straight across.
We didn't warn them. I knew.
No, I know. He come flying up, dude. He like jumped like 5 feet up in the air, and I'm like, go across, go across. Come on, you gotta make it this time.
From here, even harder.
Do a mental image.
Yeah.
Basically, you want to fly up here, but put your back tire on the ground as soon as you can. You don't want to actually fly. You want to kind of manual. What you want to do really is manual it.
Fast enough, I think that gap is big enough that I can just land up there.
You fuck, dude. I've been waiting for somebody to do it. I think you could if you're really good.
Oh no!
Like, I think you'd have to be a third pin.
Just fifth pin.
Third would do it. But it is steep. I think you'd go and fall all the way to the bottom.
No.
Oh, they're going back to back. Oh no! Is that the 50? It's the 50 cc's. Come on. He's got 50 cc's on you, man.
What's that?
You got 50 cc's on you.
Yeah.
I watched you do this on a 500. You made it look easy, so.
Well, I did just do it on my 250.
It's got to be the cc's.
It wasn't on film.
Oh, he's going right back down. Holy shit, you guys are go, go, go. All right, let's do it.
Oh man, I got
That sucked. Popped her to neutral. You guys are embarrassing me on my own hill. Okay. Move for 2 now, guys. Let's try one more. Ah! It took a lot, but I made it.
Got it.
It's all broken now.
I can smell the mufflers. So that means
The packing's on fire. Pretty good day. I'm having fun. So just go all the way up the way we came, I'll follow you. If she can hang in there for like 20 minutes, it's a 20-minute loop, but
Yeah, she's pretty tired.
there is a little transfer section where it's funner to go fast and slow. But...
your front tire is
oh, I know.
looking really low. I have a pump
That's
in the
okay.
truck.
No, it's got 3 inner tubes in it, dude. Yeah, she's good. It is what it is, man. I'm tired
It's
of
like a
fixing
really
it.
soft moose.
It's a really soft moose. It's a little wishy-washy, but keep the front light, you're good. So you want to do that? Head to your truck?
What's the best way to get there?
Right here. That tire's ridiculous, eh?
Yeah, it fucking hooked.
It's like old slime, you just went up there.
There's a root right there.
Now you made it easier for your friend. That's a moose. An old flat moose.
That fucking, it's like glue.
Yeah, you can't beat that, really.
You did exactly what my rear tire did.
Yeah, he followed your footprint, but you exposed the root.
I knew it was
Then he
gonna
went,
happen.
doop. We got roots, slippery mud, and powerful dirt bikes. But this one kind of does a loop back around to where your truck is.
Yeah, nice.
That's what's nice about it.
Hardest part right there.
This is probably the hardest part of the trail.
Oh yeah. That was all easy up till this corner.
Well, there's trail sabotage going on where they're like the hikers are throwing debris across. That's why there's like these stupid logs at the entrance of the turn to go up. Like they do their best, and then we just, it's like, yay, like new obstacle. This is a hard one.
Oh yeah, you gotta commit.
I took the inside. You guys all
I
took.
took the outside and swamped back and chanced it.
There you go, square it off. I think she's got, I think that, yeah, that's probably the best move. That's hard. I struggle to do that, like lift my bag like that. And really weight that outside peg. Yeah, weight that pig. She's going for it. Oh!
Commitment, nice.
Yeah, it's pretty icy there.
I thought you were gonna turn. She was gonna turn back down and try one more time. She's like, "No, I'm gonna try."
How much farther till we're at like a road or something?
Like 10 minutes. Like the same day. Like we could turn around and it would take us the same amount of time. Yeah. Let's go! Oh shit! That was good. That was good. That was
Me and
awesome.
Curtis both slid out there. You just did it better.
Hammer down, Kyle. Show him how it's done.
Yeah, I don't know. What's that?
We don't have studs.
He don't got studs. He'll get up here. Oh.
Is this like the last steep hill kind of thing?
Huh?
Is this like one of the last steep hills?
Yeah. Is he on the trail?
I think so.
Oh yeah. Oh shit! Whoa! You definitely have that your next try. Yeah. It's just that one part. If you get by there, you're golden.
Yeah, I gotta remember to turn my fucking gas back on. Fuck!
I know, you know what? I'm bad for that too. Whoa! We're running out of real estate up here.
Yeah, you want to hop your bike forward?
Yeah, I think I will.
Get mine out of the way.
Hey, you're always moving your bike in the way!
Look, man, I'm sorry I'm in front.
Girls only.
Yeah. Oh! It's that tree. The tree from hell.
Yeah, I did second that time. It worked a lot better. Jump on and ride right on your stomach.
Whoa, holy shit.
Oh!
Such a
Gain
shitty feeling.
momentum!
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, this is frozen for sure.
Yeah.
I used to have, well, my wife used to come out with me on these trail rides, and then I have a friend, Dino, and they were like totally comparable in riding, like they kind of sucked, but they'd try everything, eh? And they'd try this, but they would never make it. But they would like flip their bikes, launch their bikes flying down the bush, and it was like, one would go, and then I'd be like, I don't know, Fawn, like you didn't make it, and then vroom, 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 oh, she flying her bike.
That's funny. All the dirt that was up here is now down there. So
Yeah.
you use the traction down there.
There's lots of traction.
That's where you gotta do all your business is done right there. Really. Down there. If you can get a good run, you got her. It's fucking you guys blew it right out.
Oh yeah. It's definitely aiming for it here.
Oh fuck.
Clean it out.
I promise this is the hardest one. I forgot about this one. My memory.
And the next one. And the next one.
Whoops.
A lot of them, actually.
Holy shit, who put that there? I don't even remember that being there. Those hikers. It's the hikers. They did it.
Those hikers are got pretty fast these days.
Yeah, they are.
Making a mess of shit. Those hiker damage. When they put those damn cleats on.
Yeah.
Nail it. Nail it. Yeah. Oh! That's good enough. That's good enough.
You made it nice.
You made it.
That's
You had to
good.
drive.
Bad thing, I didn't do up my helmet.
I consider that completed. I don't know.
We're getting it up from here.
Are we?
Yeah, it's not going back down.
I was like, someone else can ride if they want to take him back down, but
Yeah.
Tell me it doesn't have a recluse in it.
no, it doesn't.
Okay, that's good
But
news.
let's see.
Let's get the front over first. A bit.
Yeah, do you want to swing the front end around there, Curtis?
I just want to ride it.
Yeah, it's like,
Just from
Oh, you're right. Okay, you can go right ahead here.
Oh, yeah.
you know,
Oh, you're taking her up?
Fucking walk.
Want me just to pull it back down? Facing down?
This thing here.
Okay, I'll get her facing
And all
down.
this stuff.
Oh, we're
in
going
here.
up? What are we doing?
Curtis is riding it.
He's gonna, okay. He's got this shit.
Any prettier from this point. I got it. Beautiful.
All right, buddy. Oh!
was in first.
Oh.
Total redo. Total redo. Atta boy. Yeah, you're good.
This is also the first time it's been rode with the new suspension.
Got it. Yeah, let me get that for you.
I feel like that wasn't leaning over as far when we got here.
No.
I think me and Curtis both fucking hit it. Rear tire.
Did you slide out too?
Yeah, I used that tree as traction.
Oh, you were the actual culprit.
I started it. Yeah.
If you
I
want,
got it.
don't touch.
Don't touch.
Don't touch my shit, man.
Got myself in here. I'll get it out.
I got this shit.
Oh. This is the wrong jersey.
Oh, you can't blame the jersey.
Oh my god.
It's like a
It's so insulated.
Oh, you're sweating your bag off? Oh, you've created an avalanche.
imagine if I hit that tree.
The trees, well, I think we'll hit a burn section. The trees aren't safe around here. Like they could just come falling down anytime. Like
That's
seriously.
why it has like a different front.
It's a hard section now. You guys have like made it harder.
Not hard in these conditions. It's not hard to make it hard in these conditions.
Yeah.
After the first few people go through.
Now we know the next time I go up it, I think I'm going to try to go right of everything, like almost like just out of the
Yeah.
trail and just to the edge, like 4 or 5 inches.
I would have loved to have gone straight if I had the speed, but I just...
Yeah. And just went over the roots and
Yeah.
just kind of pivot there. And
enough speed to wheelie the front tire up on the roots and then just suck it all up.
kind of coast it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah, yeah! Oh man! You actually you attempted to do it the way it's supposed to be done.
I slid the wrong way though.
You got
all
her.
right, because you're above the trail, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, you're good.
We're good.
You did it. Now catch your
Much
breath.
easier than pushing it.
Good job, man. That was awesome. Knuckles, that was good.
Woo.
I have to be back at 3 for sure.
It's 2:53.
Well, we gotta go. Yeah, I gotta totally rip it.
308.
Perfect. I'll be home in 2 minutes and I leave at 10 after 3.
Good
That
ride,
was
man.
awesome. Thank you.
Fuck yeah.
Thanks for coming out. Hey, great meeting you. I gotta rip because I got my kid I gotta go pick up at the bus. What do you want to do? That's awesome. Good job. Good job. Hey, nice riding with you. Good job. Good effort. I'll have to see you on that. All right. Well, maybe you guys know about my YouTube channel. You can watch your video. I'll make about you.
Yeah.